wouldn't you believe it, I'm going to a motorcycle meetup in the car. Now there is a good explanation for this. I'm still gonna get a bunch of shots, but basically I hurt my back and no. I hurt my lower back and it feels pretty bad. I wasn't even gonna come out to the meetup, and then I realized, you know what, I can still come to the meetup, I can still be there, I can still show my support, meet up with a lot of the guys there that, well, I love the guys there, so this is pretty cool. Alright, so we showed up to the meetup, and of course I'm the only guy with a car here, but I already explained that to you guys why. But there's a ton of them. See? It's really cool. There's a lot of cool people here. A lot of them we know, a lot of subscribers, so thank you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit. Look at that. This is what I love about meetups. Peace!
Yeah, I mean on YouTube, Bob.
Yeah, you'll be on YouTube. Look at that. There's some gorgeous bikes here. Holy shit. So yeah, there's little Lucy right there. And then the rest of the bikes, so you guys get to see the front as well. Oh my god, I got such a shaky hand right now. Look at this. Look at this. This is the beauty about just coming out to meetups. Show your support, but you also get just a bunch of people with beautiful bikes. And the car, and the car, and the car. Go ahead, lady. Thank you. Look at that. We got quite a few 300s, we got quite a few BMWs, CBRs, Yamahas. There's a ton of stuff here. Just so much to see. So much to see. And of course, light mode, just chatting away. Eventually he'll turn this way and he'll say hi.
But I recognize that girl with the multicolored.
They're recognizing bikes, right?
Hi.
What's up?
Crescent red.
And of course, Ariel.
Hi, you're just red.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I don't know. I'm okay.
Better okay than nothing.
Can you boys hear that? Can you guys hear what's going on? It is gorgeous. Okay, I may be in a car, but it doesn't mean that I'm not enjoying this. All right, so we're gonna take off. that tightly squeezed bikes. Yup. So yeah, this is what we get. Look at that. Look at this. All right, boys and girls, here's a little bit of a closer look. That looks very familiar, doesn't it? But it's not mine. So look at this. Look at this, boys and girls. Look at this. This is bike heaven right here. Look at that. Really, really nice. Look at that. Just gorgeous. And of course I gotta have a shaky camera right now. Whoop, there's a thumbs up. All right, so this place is awesome. Obviously, you guys seen this place before. Starbucks, can't go wrong. Bikes, 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 bikes. Bikes everywhere. Basically, all that means is that we have a ton of fun. We come here, we end up chatting away with people, and now we're, well, gonna take off. It was an awesome day. I'm glad that I got to see Stan. Stan is doing good, so that's awesome. And yeah, that's it. Once again, to everybody who showed up, thank you very, very much. And as always, you guys know we love you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, don't forget to love, ride, and explore. Stay off those darn cell phones if you're driving or riding. And until next time, goodbye. See ya.